paraplegic mong.
I mean, you're laughing about the guy.
GG's very
What's his name? What's his name?
GG's guys.
GG's.
Coach Edward.
GG's Nori, GG Nori, GG Nori, GG Nori.
I may not have to watch skill.
I think I do one.
Easy.
Not recruiting guys for GG.
Wuskin, you're a fat greasy cunt.
What's his name?
You're a fat greasy cunt. You're about 30 fucking 4 playing COD.
He's 27, you fat
You're
nigga.
a fucking nonce.
You live with your mum, you fat plastic cunt.
Did you hear him getting confirmation? What's his name?
What's his name? Wuskin. Yeah, what's his name? Wuskin. I'm gonna say something here, lads. Watch this.
Why didn't you tell me that it was going off in game chat?
Watch this, lads. I'll have a word with him.
Yeah, back out. Let Barry have a word with him. Let Barry have a word with him. He was a Scouser as well, Barry. Yeah, let me invite him, bro. Yeah, join his party. I'm joining his party.
What's he called again?
AJ, go on your recents. Join me. Everyone join me.
Yo.
2 seconds.
He was giving.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna
Good boy. Stop putting that fucking accent on, you little biff. You're putting your voice on me, you're from the fucking Whittle.
You're putting your voice on me, lad. Listen to yourself, lad.
Barry's letting us
How
down
old
here.
are you then? Oh, he's in the fucking clan.
Hey, loads of people are laughing with you there, aren't they?
Loads of people are fucking laughing. Listen to your speaker, mate. You're in a fucking clan. You're about 30 fucking 4.
Do you want a clam up?
And you're fucking bent.
Close.
Let's have a clam
And how old are you?
Okay, all you can fucking do is repeat what I'm saying. That's all you can fucking do.
Alright, mate.
That's all you can fucking do. Oh, lad, you're a war, you.
Lad, all you.
Hey,
Listen to the state here. 30 fucking 4 putting an accent on.
Listen to the state of your accent.
Look. Get your fucking words out, mate.
I
I'm
just
gonna lie,
No,
because I
no.
think this is 1-0 this guy over Barry at the moment.
Lads, come on, see it.
Not bad.
You're mad.
Lads, you want me to step in here, bro?
Lad. Try and not say lad, mate.
We told him he's having him.
Try and not say fucking lad.
Where are you from, Formby?
Where are you from, mate? What?
No, where are you from, no?
Good boy, repeat yourself.
Oh, lad, that's proper insulting.
Could step in. Could you gonna have
Lad,
to
that's
step in?
proper insulting.
Could you gonna have to step in?
That's how you
Where are you
sound.
from, no, serious?
Serious. Where are you from?
You can't even answer it, though, like, where are you from?
Where are you from?
Heighton?
Heighton. Oh my god, you're from Heighton! Ah! What colour are your bins?
Purple, lad. Oh my god, lad.
They're not
What
fucking
colour?
purple, you're chatting shit!
What colour are your bins?
Maroon. Same colour.
Yeah, maroon! Maroon bins.
So, and where are you from yet again?
Where are you from?
Lad, you can't even tell me where you're from.
I'm
That's
from
how embarrassed
Gattaca.
you are, lad.
I'm from
Lad, you
Gattaca.
posh cunts. Lad, you
How am I
fucking
posh?
cunt.
How am I posh? You live in fucking Heighton? You put Heighton and speak in
What
that
colour are
stupid
your
fucking
bins?
accent.
Lad, you sound like you wank your dad off, lad, to be honest.
Oh my god.
How old are you?
How old are you? I'm not
You know
telling you,
Mitch?
mate. You like kids.
You keep repeating after me. But you keep doing it, you little gremlin.
Oh.
You are a proper
Lad,
cretin.
hey, Tim,
Hey.
he's from Gattaca, lad. It's where the posh wankers come
There's
from.
not one job in this party, bro.
Ah,
You're all
it's
bums.
not what the
You're all
one said.
bums, bro.
Who the fuck's that? Squeaker in the background.
Squeaker,
Posh playing
bro,
on
I'm
an
your
Xbox
dad, bro.
360.
Yeah, you playing on
Lad,
an
I
Xbox
promise
with
you
your
now,
mums.
360.
Hey,
You playing on
you sound
Xbox
like
with your
fucking
mums? I'm your landlord, you fat cunt.
playing on your Xbox at your mum's calling us kids.
Listen, I could buy your whole town.
Oh, funny, bro.
What?
You just call me landlord from now on, alright? Small boy. I'll drag you down the
Small
park.
boy.
I'll drag you down the
You
park
like
and
little
bum you.
boys, don't you?
I'll drag you down the park and bum you, mate.
Oh my god, you're funny, aren't
I'll
you?
drag you down the park and bum you in
Are you
front
the
of your
fucking
mates.
streamer? Are you the fat cunt who's in the fucking corner?
Yeah. That's me, bro. That's me.
Mate,
That's me made your net worth tonight, bro.
It's
Yeah,
not
that's
that
me.
hard.
I'm on the juice, mate. Don't
I
worry
can
about it.
literally hear you breathing on your stream.
Don't search. Let me go for a
You
Lad,
sound like a
wanker,
fucking
lad.
French bulldog.
Lad, your ma looks like a French bulldog.
Lad, you're mad. That's all you can say. Try not to say fucking lad.
Your ma looks like a French bulldog that's just been stung by a wasp. Fat bitch.
It's funny that, isn't it?
Lad, loads of people have laughed with you here
Lad,
tonight.
stop.
Obviously.
Hey, mate, you're from Heighton. Stop putting that stupid fucking voice on.
Lad, you're from Gatka. Don't say fuck all.
Don't say fuck all.
You're one of the poshest wankers and all.
Oh my god,
Them
stop
kids-
putting that
them
fucking
kids have
voice
the
on, mate.
side over.
Oh my god.
Hey, have a little side comb over, lad, and think they're hard as fuck. Shut up, lad. Do you live near the Red Path?
Do you live near the red
Hey,
path?
Wuskin, go, which one's the streamer?
Which one's the streamer,
Cudz.
lad? Shut up, you fat
Mate,
neek.
if you've got dough, why can't you get your fucking teeth done?
Hey, don't worry about
They
which
are
one's the
fucking
streamer,
poking
bro.
out my screen,
Don't
mate.
worry about which one's the
Oh,
streamer,
sorry,
bro.
lad. Hey, sorry, I need to
poking
get
out
my
my
teeth done so I feel fitted in. Shut up, lad.
Shut
You
up,
heard
lad.
yourself?
You sound like a fucking wall, and you're putting that stupid
Oh,
fucking
lad.
accent
Hey,
on.
you're mad. Hey, you're
Mate,
mad,
just because you
mad.
live in a
Devil
fucking
hater.
council house in Heighton.
Lad, you're on your little
Get your
brother's
fucking
Xbox trying
teeth
to
done,
get jig,
Cuddy,
lad.
and Wuskin, stop speaking that stupid fucking accent, mate. Now get the
It's not
fuck out of
Wuskin,
my
mate.
lobby.
It's not Wuskin, it's Skrapz, you fat neek.
What's he saying about me?
What is it?
You stupid
Bloody
asshole.
Gremlin.
Stupid little melon.
What is it?
Should eat gremlin and get off
Hey,
your
when,
little
when,
brother's
when you're
Xbox.
at your
Hey.
mum's house, bro, you can start
Hey.
mouthing, bro, yeah?
What is it? How'd you say his name?
When you're paying tax, bro, you can start
Hey,
mouthing.
get off
Hey,
your little
hey,
brother's Xbox.
how'd you say his name?
I'll buy you a PC for Christmas, you fucking
How'd
peasant.
you say his name?
I'll buy you a PC for Christmas, you fat little nonce.
Hey, what'd you say? I can't hear you.
Stiff idiot.
I can't hear you. What'd you say?
Yeah, of course you can't hear,
Shut
bro.
up,
Because your
AJ.
mum's telling you to keep the noise down, you bum.
Your mum's trying to keep
Hey.
your voice down.
Hey, your
Yeah,
man's
nice one, bro.
defo a squirter, innit?
What'd you say? I couldn't hear you. Let me mic one off.
Oh,
Hey,
God,
go
buy me,
boy,
mate.
repeat yourself. Repeat yourself.
Hey, do you
lad,
know
that's a
your old
proper
man, mate? Do
insult
you
and
know
a
your
half.
old man?
That's a proper... Hey, stop
You
speaking that
know
fucking
your
stupid
old man.
accent.
Piece, yeah.
Do you know your old man? You don't, do
Does
you?
he fuck?
What the
You
fuck's
don't
an
know
old
your
man?
Your dad, you
Your
fucking
half
stiff
fella?
idiot.
Mate, get your fucking teeth sorted. Oh my god, stop talking.
Listen, I can
Lad,
buy
Can you
50
please stop
sets of
opening that
teeth, bro,
mouth?
and still buy your
Everyone
name.
on your
Lad,
fucking stream doesn't want to see you fucking talk. Because they have
Lad,
to see your fucking
sort
teeth
your
anytime you
mic out,
talk,
lad.
mate. Sort your mic out, lad. Mate, sort your fucking voice out. Honestly,
Sort your voice
you
out.
sound like a fucking
Really good
shortboard.
insult, that, mate.
Lad, you sound like you're wank. This kid, man, he
Lad,
wanked his
you
dad
gave
off.
up on that one there, didn't you?
Do you live by the Red Path?
She lived by the red path.
Yeah.
Why
Live
trying
by
to
the
find
Red
out where to live?
So we can say you down the park and bum you.
Yeah.
No, I
take
don't
him
live
on
by
the
the
dollar.
Red Path.
Chill,
I'll
what
take me on the dollar.
Red
Yeah.
path,
What
red
the
path
fuck are
houses
you gonna
cost
do,
too
mate?
much, bro. Your mum can't afford that, bro.
Does
Start
anyone
helping her
want
out
to
with a
smoke a
council
poly one?
tax, bro. Start helping her out with a council tax, bro, yeah?
Anyone want to smoke a poly one and forget about this?
Alright, get out, boys.
You've
I
defo
want to play
got
the
a
fucking
perm.
game.
You've defo got a perm, you.
I've definitely got a perm.
Yeah,
Nah,
you've
you've got a
perm.
high
Boy,
fade.
take that cap off. Hey, take that cap off.
Oh, they're in the
Hairline.
club.
Let me see.
Hey,
Please.
let's talk about what you look like, though, lad. You're definitely.
Let's talk about what you look like, though, lad.
Hey,
Hey, take the fucking cap off.
Your jizz is
Hey,
defo see-through.
Take that cap off. Hey, I can't hear you. What you say, Wuskin?
Cuddy, will you do me a favour?
Yeah, bro, what?
Please re-go on your
No,
dual bits
nothing
account
to
and
you.
just put
Yeah,
your
good
withdrawals.
boy.
I know
stay quiet.
Hey, I was going to say,
What do you
wait,
say?
say something,
Cuddy.
lad.
Can I see the
Probably
hairline?
just bring up
Will
the
you-
fucking jewel bits to the
Please,
withdrawals.
please,
Show me the
please,
hairline,
please.
mate.
I would normally never ask
You
you
look
to
like
do
a
it, but please
greasy
redo it.
bricklayer.
I
That's
don't
what you look like.
want to flex the bank balance on him, bro.
I
We
know,
don't
but
need
I
to do
would-
that. We don't need to do that, bro.
No, you
I've
like
got-
that one, yeah?
I've got 3 times
Nah,
his
I'm
family
just thinking
tree's
of this,
net
like,
worth.
John, when you're out with the lads, you're definitely like the butt of all jokes, aren't you?
What'd you say?
I was Barry holding up.
You live by
Shut
the
up,
red
lad.
path, doesn't it, bro? That fucking killed me, that. Oh.
Hey, AJ.
Good boy, repeat yourself.
Hey,
Go on,
what started
what's
this? Us shitting on you
What's
in a rank
it?
lobby, bro.
It wasn't even me playing.
How old are you?
It wasn't
How
even
old
me
are you,
playing.
bro?
Like,
Oh,
I
who
won't
was
come
you?
back into it.
Who was
Show
playing
me
your
the
little
hairline.
brother? Who was playing your little brother, you
Can you show
fat
me the
neek?
hairline?
Oh, shit, so that's what I thought. Shut up. How old are you?
Look
Look at you.
He's bored.
Can I join UTC, boys?
Cretin, shut up.
No, you
Can I
ain't got the
join
net
UTC?
worth. You ain't got the net worth, you peasant.
Cretin.
Yeah,
Ain't
you
got the
haven't
net
money
worth,
to
mate, just
join.
because I'm not a fucking bricklayer with a receding fucking hairline.
Bricklayer, bro. I literally gamble for
Does it-
Wooly, bro.
I could have dough right now if I want to do your
You ain't
fucking
got the
job.
net
You
goal.
could have
If I
dough
can sit
right
on the
now.
corner, I don't want fucking iPhone with me fucking baldy fucking hairline.
Yeah, all the guys with no
AJ,
dough say I
AJ,
could have dough right now,
Fucking
don't they?
teeth
You
poking out the
fucking
fucking
peasant,
screen.
bro. You
It's like,
peasant,
mate,
bro.
it's like
You're a
3D
peasant,
watching
bro.
your stream, you know.
You're a
Your
peasant, bro.
fucking
AJ, go and
teeth
wank
are
your
like
dad
poking
off,
me.
All the guys with no net worth say I could get
All
money
the
if I wanted to.
guys.
Yeah, you fucking
I know,
spastic.
AJ. I know, shut up,
AJ,
now,
lad.
AJ. You're embarrassing yourself.
AJ, shut up now, bro.
You're
Listen
embarrassing
to the
yourself,
state
lad.
here, mate.
Just
You're
'cause your
pushing
dad's dead, it
20
ain't our
fucking
fault, bro.
40.
It
You're
ain't
still
our
putting
fault
that
your
stupid
dad's dead.
fucking voice on.
It
Just
ain't
'cause
our
my
fault,
dad's
bro.
dead,
It
that's
ain't our
not
fault,
fucking
bro.
dead, mate.
It ain't our fault, bro.
It ain't our fault, mate. Stop talking, please. I have
Just
to
because your
see
man's
whenever
got
you
cerebral
talk.
palsy.
I could have dough right now.
I could have dough right now if I wanted to. Yeah, says everyone that lives with a mum, bro.
AJ's the type of kid to buy a bottle of AU.
Hey, I could have a Bugatti right now if I wanted to, but I choose to live by the red path.
Please
I
leave,
choose to
you're
live by the
fucking
red
annoying,
path.
you know.
Oh, I love it.
I could have a
Hey, why
Bugatti,
aren't
but I
you
choose to
sticking
live
up for
by the
you?
red path, bro. Yeah, you
What?
fucking peasant.
Why aren't your boys sticking up for you, yeah?
Don't speak to them.
Tell them to unmute themselves.
Don't worry about your boys, bro. You should be worried about finding your old man.
They know who we are. tell
Mate,
them
you should be
everything.
worried about your fucking teeth. Stop
You
fucking
know who
talking,
we are,
please.
bro. You know who we are, bro. Yeah,
Stop
just
talking,
remember
please.
that. You know who we are, bro. Just remember that.
That's why his mates aren't talking.
I'm your
they're obviously
landlord, you
sound.
peasant.
They're sound, he's a cretin.
Yeah?
Yeah, just because you built
And
the
the-
fucking house.
And the rent's going up, you dickhead.
The rent's going up, you dickhead. Shut up, you live in Highton. All the taxpayers pay for your house, mate. Get a
Hey,
fucking job.
hey, I'm gonna buy you a PC for Christmas, bro. You little neek, yeah, because you need it, bro. 'Cause
I've
you
got one
can't
right
shoot
next to me,
back.
mate.
You
I don't
can't
need a
shoot
PC.
back. You
Oh,
can't
if you've
shoot
got a
back.
P, why aren't you on it then?
This guy
Yeah,
could
okay,
just
don't
have
go on
everything, but has nothing.
Because I'm all card on me fucking Xbox, I've literally got a PC next to me.
Of course you have, bro. I could have dough, I could have a PC, I could have a Bugatti, bro. You could have everything, but you've got nothing.
Hey, what colour's your Bugatti?
Shut up, Wuskin, you greasy little twat.
Hey, no, bro. Yeah, Red, you're him, bro. Look at this, bro. He can't even hear me.
Boys,
bearing in
why
mind.
is
He's got the
keeping
stream
this
on mute.
going?
Cudz, he's got
I'm
the
literally
stream
just
on
taking
mute,
my
bearing in
piss
You're
mind.
out
rattled,
here.
bro.
even
You're
laughing.
rattled, bro. You're rattled. You're
Yeah,
rattled.
I'm not even laughing down yet.
I am not
He's got the
rattled.
stream on mute.
You are
No one
rattled,
else is
bro. You're
talking.
rattled, bro.
I am
You're
taking
rattled.
the
Your
fucking
old man's
piss out of
dead.
all of you, and
You
you're
live by the
ignoring
red
it.
path.
And
You
you're
live by
just
the red
taking it.
path, bro. You could have money if you wanted to, but you live with your mum and you're
I live
playing
by
on
the
an
red
Xbox, bro.
path. I don't
You're
live by the
playing on
red
an
path.
Xbox, living with
You
your
do,
mum,
lad.
but you could have money
Mate,
if you
stop
wanted to,
talking. I
bro.
have to look at your fucking teeth. Can you please stop? I've
You're
got
not
like a
rattled, though.
phobia
You're
to
not
your
rattled.
teeth.
You're not rattled. You should have a phobia living with your mum till
Mate, your teeth
45.
are
That's
fucking
what you should
rattling
have,
while
bro.
you're speaking. Can you stop?
You cretin. Get off
AJ,
your
stop shouting, lad.
Who's
Who's
because you
that?
shout? Stop shouting.
Barryseal, you only talk like every 5 minutes, mate.
Move your
You
mic
like
away
hype
from
yourself
your
up.
mouth, lad. Move your mic away from your mouth, lad. You're shouting.
AJ, get out of gold.
AJ, get out your mum's.
Which one? Hey, which one's going from Highton?
Me?
Which one?
Barry.
Hey, Barryseal, what you need to do, mate? You need to get a fucking job. Get out your council house, yeah. That's what you need to do.
That's very rich
Wuskin,
coming
mate,
from you,
get
bro.
your
That's
fucking
very
teeth.
rich.
No, not Wuskin. Okay, Wuskin, sort your fucking voice out. Cuddy, sort your
Sort your
fucking teeth out,
voice
yeah.
out, bro.
Now all you fuck off.
What is that? It's
Sort
the
your
worst
fucking voice
insult
out.
ever, bro.
You know who I am, big
Boys,
time, bro. Listen to your insults.
you should in a
can't say
fucking
nothing.
Lads,
You
which one is it?
can't
This is
say
you at the end of the
nothing,
game.
bro.
Lads, which one is it? Which one is it? Wuskin, yeah.
Listen to what
Wuskin,
you're
yeah. Which
saying,
one
bro.
is it,
You know you can't say
You're a
nothing to
fan,
me,
bro. You're a fan.
I'm a fan.
You probably got a poster
Yeah,
of him on
you're
your
a
fucking
fan,
wall,
lad.
bro, to cover up
You-
the fucking hole
you
in the
don't
wall. You
Post
damn
on your
cunt
fucking
shit.
wall, you wouldn't fit on me fucking wall, mate.
Why is your bedroom that tiny? Hey, you fucking Jew.
Yeah, box room,
No,
man.
he's just that fucking big.
Why is your bedroom
Your toes touch your Xbox when you go to sleep, you peasant.
Oh my god, mate, listen to the sound here. Like, how do you wake up every day, look in the mirror, and you smile?
How's that
Mate,
single
you
bed,
built like
mate?
fucking
How's that
Jabba the
single
Hutt.
bed, bro? How's that single
You
bed, bro?
barely fit on the fucking screen.
Bedroom got a bed, baby.
Who gave you the confidence to get a webcam?
Tell him that's because you decided to put the
Like,
camera
which
there.
one of your mates said they hyped you up enough to get a webcam?
Hey, make sure you cut them toenails, bro, so you don't touch our Xbox, bro.
I can't hear you with that stupid fucking voice.
Xbox off.
Oh my god, Barryseal. Just because you buy a PC instead of getting a fucking house, mate.
I'm on a PlayStation, by the way, mate.
I'm on a fucking PlayStation. Stop speaking with your fucking
Fucks
lips.
off.
Speak properly.
I'm
Right,
on a
listen,
PlayStation.
AJ, I'm
Can
gonna
you
get you a
speak normally for
PC. I'm
sec?
gonna get you a
Stop putting an
PC. I'm
accent
gonna
on.
get you a PC and some toenail clippers for Christmas, alright?
Xbox record
Alright,
that.
Cuddy, I'm gonna get you a fucking teeth job from Turkey, mate.
You can't afford
You
it, you
couldn't
peasant.
afford
Fucking need it.
it.
Oh my god. How old are all you?
Old enough to
You're
bum
getting
your mum.
verbal, yeah.
Do you like wank each other off after you've been on COD?
Drag your mum off.
You cretin. One bum you does.
I'm gonna
Hey,
drag your mum down
yeah,
that red
just
path
think
and bum her.
just think your man's being backshotted in the next room to you.
While your toenails touch your Xbox.
Xbox record that.
Wanking.
Staring at that roof where the fucking wallpaper's coming off.
With a poster.
What you said in there?
You've got a
With a
damp
poster
room
that
with a
says-
single bed with a poster of Wuskin on it.
Hey, that type of bedroom that has the boiler in.
The what?
The
You live in a fucking castle house putting that stupid fucking voice on at the age over 30.
Hey, did your
You
mum
definitely
warm your
wear full
towels up in
Monterey.
your room in that boiler?
Does your man warm your towels up? Cuddy, shut up, you fucking
Wow.
Oh, got him on so bro. Oh, bro.
That one done me, you know, the type of bedroom that's got the boiler in it.
That done me as well. That did.
Wow.
Oh, fucking hell, bro. Your toenails
That
touch
was
your
amazing.
Xbox.
to be honest,
Good one
Dale,
as
I
well.
had to join back and say a few things that I couldn't say.
I'll invite him in here. Invite him in here, invite him.
Could you imagine what Barry would have said if streams went on?
Bro.
Yo.
Do you live
Yo.
by the red path? Do you live by the red path? Got me big time as well.
Type of room that's got a boiler in it.
Yo, them poor rooms though, they have like the boiler in. Know what I'm saying? There's always one. You've always had a mate and you go in, the boiler's just there in the corner.
I'll be back, bro. I can't even laugh. It's that sore.
Wow.
That was fantastic, honestly.
Nah, but see them people from Gatka though, yeah? Look, I'll be honest with you, the fucking posh wankers, you know, I fucking hate them. Them kids with the comb overs who think they're hard as fuck because the mum and dad have got a few quid.
He's a man and dad has got a few quid.
Lad had to join back then just to tell him about himself, lad. It couldn't be said on stream.
We should have finished that with a clan battle.
That fucking honestly, my eyes are streaming at that boiler comment, bro. Fucking hell, that rattled me big time. That.
Oh, his fucking back is coming from
He
laughing
thought he was doing something as well, and then he got rattled, bro.
he thought he was on something there, bro.
He thought he had it on toast at the start, bro.
Well, posh wanker, lad, I'll be honest, lad. That's all they are, lad.
Oh, we need
Good
more of
for-
that, you know.
Lad, he's pissed me right off, you know.
It took you a while to
Barry,
get going,
Barry,
mate.
you started slow there. You started slow there,
Lad,
Baz,
I'll
bro.
be honest, yeah, because I just went in, yeah, and I was just thinking, I just know you're a posh wanker, yeah, and I'd fucking...
You sounded like him then. I could have just went in. That's
I could have had money.
Yeah. If I had your job, I could have been rich.
I
Yeah,
could
well,
have.
you haven't, lad, have you?
I could have won that game 3-0, but I didn't want to.
Lad, he was a gobshite, him, no.
Oh, when he said
Xbox off.
Lad, I've seen it online, people say Xbox off, and the Xbox goes off.
Oh.
you know.
Who said your toes touch your Xbox? Who was that?
No, that was you, couldn't that you said that. You went to get you some nail clippers.
Oh, I wish Brad was in the corner. Go to listen to that one.
I reckon we might have it up.
Then I said, you've definitely had your ma getting backshotted in the next room, and you went into why your nails turn your fucking Xbox off.
Oh, mate.
You've got to,
I'm honestly, mate, I'm sweating. That was funny, bro.
Oh, great, bro. I don't think I can play after that. My head's gonna explode.
AJ took it well.
I want to be honest. I went back in there and went, lad, I'll fucking smash your head in, lad, you posh wanker.
Type of room with the boiler in it. Oh, fuck, bro. Oh.
Fucking hell.
I could have money right now if I wanted to be a bricklayer. That's what he said. What does that mean? What does that fucking mean?
Well, he kept talking about a fucking button, so yeah, bricklayer. He kept talking about it, didn't he? Like we're all brickies.
Like we're all on site, bro. I've not left the house for 2 weeks.
On day rate.
On day rate. I spent his fucking gyro on cocaine last night, mate. Oh, fucking hell.
I hope he gets sanctioned.
That man's gonna stop it.
I get PKS. We need to back out here. I can't play, bro. I get gunned when I'm fucking locked in, bro. Oh.
This is hurting my throat.
Can't believe he said it.
Laying in bed with your toes touching your Xbox. I'm pretty sure I said, does your mum warm the towels up with a boiler?
Oh, mum, can I turn the boiler off? The fucking pipes are rattling.
Get a drink, I can't breathe.
Oh, fucking
Hey, son, check the boiler there, lad. The fucking hot water's gone off.
At the end as well, like, he didn't know he was in game chat. It's like, which one is it? Wuskin, yeah? That's his name, Wuskin. Like, like he was about to do something. I could have money if I wanted.
I didn't even hear him say that, but he's a fucking fan, him.
Oh, bro.
Why wouldn't you be a fan, though? He was a fucking great player. It still is.
Nah, these two get hate for no reason, bro. Like, if you lose, if one person in the team knows them at the end of every game, it's like, you fat idiot. Like,
yeah, but look at them now, though. Bodies like fucking gods. And they only moan because they get gunned by them, really. Let's have it right.
Yeah, like, if they beat them, they'd be like, good game, lads.
We just need to fucking push the thing onto Del, innit? Like, look at Del.
That is what you call fucking gold, man. That is what you live for, bro.
I have missed that kind of content, like.
I've missed it so much, bro. I'm not going gym tomorrow again. We're staying on, bro.
I'm fucking on the juice, I got.
What are you lifting?
I'm on the juice, drinking a can of Coke and a vape.
Oh, man. Fucking on my head.